This is a quick demo of Infragram, an architecture diagram generator for Terraform. Here we have a Terraform codebase for setting up centralized logging. There's a centralized logging module. If we go into it, we can see there's more modules, several resources. There's quite a few things. We'll need to go through all the modules to understand what's happening. If only we had a diagram. So let's go ahead and generate one. We select Infragram, view Terraform diagram, and select my module, and immediately we can see some structure. There's a log export, it's connected to some destinations. There's a pub sub destination, cloud storage, also a different project. The project has its own log export, sending logs to log bucket. There's also BigQuery on top of the log bucket. This gives us a good high-level overview of the configuration, a bird's eye view, if you will. We can also go into some of these boxes to see more detail. Here are different log syncs under the exporter, what the pub/sub configuration looks like. We can expand or collapse these boxes to see the level of detail we're interested in. And the relationships adjust automatically, giving us different levels of abstractions of the infrastructure. Now let's go ahead and make a change. We can navigate to the source code by selecting Go to Source. Let's create subscribers for the pub/sub. Now to see the changes, we select Infragram View Terraform Plan, and we can see the plan in visual mode. It looks different now because it shows the final resources that will be created as part of the plan, yet the architecture perspective is still maintained. We can see the highlighted elements here to see a visual diff of the changes that will be made as part of this plan. The changes are isolated to pub/sub, which is what we're looking for. This is much easier to see that than having to read screens of text. We can also hover over to see the full resource diff. If all looks good, we can go ahead and apply the plan via Terraform. Hope you'll find this useful. Do give it a try and share your feedback.